On that day, for no particular reason, I decided to go for a little run. So I ran to the end of the road. And when I got there, I thought maybe I'd run to Võru. And when I got there, I thought maybe I'd just run across county. And I figured since run is far, maybe I'd just run across Estonia. And that's what I did. For no particular reason, I just kept on going.
Looking at